Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking down audio and a tiny project that forces decisions. Choose a CO for all or FL a CO for low latency, then set tempo and draw a 4-bar loop so you stay focused. Once done, load one synth and one drum kit, assign mixer tracks, and save a template. This trims endless tweaking. You want to make music, not configure. Make sure to name channels and enable the metronome so timing remains clear while you build ideas. You now expand the loop into a structure. Intro, build, drop. Sketch the main motif, then duplicate and vary it every 8 or 16 bars to create momentum. Sound design matters. Open the synth, sculpt with filter cutoff and a touch of resonance, then send to 2 effects buses for reverb and delay to add space. Once you've balanced levels, automate cutoff and volume to introduce motion, and use sends for cohesion, so elements sit together instead of fighting for space. You finish by mixing and committing to files. Balance tracks against a reference, add gentle bus compression, and check the mix in mono to reveal phase issues. Once happy, render stems and export a 24-bit WAV. Make sure to label everything and save incremental versions. If you encounter clipping, reduce the master by 1 to 3 decibels and scan for problematic plugins. If you hear clicks, consolidate audio regions and increase buffer temporarily. This secures a clean, final deliverable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.